Welcome to Tammy's Ripping Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you what I ate in a day. So first off, I'm going to start with my blueberry shake. So here I've got 2 cups of blueberries and about 6 bananas in my blender, and then I'm going to add the milk and my soy chocolate milk, a little bit more, and then I'm going to top it off with my water. And now I'll start adding my other ingredients. First, some cacao nibs. Then some maca powder. Some protein powder. And some PB powder. And then on to some spirulina. Some chlorella. A few hemp hearts. And some chia seeds. And a little bit of cocoa powder. A splash of cinnamon. A little bit of vanilla. And some turmeric. And I'm going to blend that up really well. I would also like to let you know I do use pH 10 water. This does get extremely loud. And now into my mason jars it goes, and also my cup. So I will drink this in the morning and throughout my early afternoon. Having this shake every day has really become just part of my daily routine. So it is my breakfast and my lunch, and then I usually make a pretty decent dinner. I did put it in Chronometer one day, and I do believe it's about 1,300 calories. Now on to dinner. I had some leftover rice, so I thought, well, why not make a veggie stir-fry rice? So I'm going to fry up the ginger and garlic and celery, and then add in the Asian veggies. And here I've added in some spices, some garlic powder, some onion powder, curry, a little bit of pepper. And added in my rice and gave it a good stir and some soy sauce, and it was ready to go. I hope you enjoyed that little what I ate in a day video. The recipe for the smoothie can be found on my YouTube and also on my website. And if you would like a little recipe for the rice, just give me an email or a DM. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.